Most people use ChatGPT the wrong way. Today, you'll discover powerful prompts that can completely change how you work with AI.
Ask ChatGPT to research any topic and explain it like you're a complete beginner. You'll save hours every single week.
This prompt turns simple ideas into professional scripts, blogs, or emails, making your work faster and much more effective. Use this prompt to learn any difficult skill step by step. ChatGPT becomes your personal teacher, available anytime you need help.
Paste any rough writing into ChatGPT and ask it to improve clarity, grammar, and tone in seconds, like a professional editor. ChatGPT to become your business coach and create a step-by-step action plan for any goal you want to achieve. Overwhelmed? Ask ChatGPT to organize your entire day into simple priorities and a realistic schedule.
Let ChatGPT generate endless content ideas tailored to your niche, audience, and long-term goals.
These prompts are just the beginning. Start using them today and let ChatGPT help you work smarter every single day.
Any problem into ChatGPT and ask for a step-by-step solution. It explains complex issues in a simple, practical way.
ChatGPT to act as an expert mentor in any field and ask it to teach you with real examples and daily practice.
Ask ChatGPT to create a complete action plan for your goal. Follow it consistently, and you'll make faster progress every week.